Welcome back to the Records Keypad.AI tutorial series. In today's video, we'll walk you through one of the most powerful features of RecordsKeeper.AI, AI memory. This feature allows you to store important data, making future interactions more accurate and efficient. For example, if you simply upload your personal document, the system might not give accurate results. However, if you store your personal information in AI memory, the output will be much more reliable. To get started, log into your dashboard and navigate to the Settings tab. Under User Settings, you'll find the AI memory section. Here, you can view existing memories. Let's create a new one. Click on Add Memory, give it a name. For instance, my father's information, and input relevant training text. After saving, this information will be stored securely and used for improved responses from AI to retrieve the document. Amazing, no? Now, let's move on to the Company Settings section. You'll also find an AI Memory tab here, which is for train company information to AI. The process is similar. Name the memory and add training text from a company perspective. This allows your business to store frequently used data and streamline responses by AI across company. Once stored, you can ask AI specific questions like, "What's my father's name?" and get accurate, personalized responses instantly. This feature brings efficiency and precision to your digital workflow. That's it for today. We've covered the AI memory and how it can help you manage and retrieve information more effectively. Don't forget to explore, get 3-day free trial, and take full advantage of this powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.